Ashweez Cosplay here. It is almost 11 o'clock in the morning on Thursday, December 5th, day 0 of Anime Frontier. I'm about to start loading up my car and then I'm going to head to Fort Worth so that I can start setting up the repair booth. So just like last year, we're doing the cosplay repair booth. It's going to be great. We have another photo opportunity. That was redundant. Either way, we have a fun little set thing that we're gonna bust out on Sunday for people to take pictures with and also get ribbons of. So that'll be a lot of fun. I'm also working in an official capacity, getting paid, to work the cosplay contest on Saturday. So that's gonna be a lot of fun. So I'll see you there. All right, I've made it to Fort Worth. Just parked my car at my hotel. Use the bathroom real quick. Heading over to set up the repair booth. It worked out perfectly because I literally saw John like right here as he had his wagon and he was walking over to the convention center to also load up stuff for the repair booth. So I was like, hi John, you want to bring this other luggage for me? So it worked out real nicely. So we're gonna do some setup and then I think dinner later. So see you then. It's the boy! It's the boys! Yes. His little toes. Ruckus reveal. No! Free him! Oh my god, his little eyes poking out! Free him! Oi! Philippines!
Yeah, I made it in the Philippines, so.
Philippines! Oi!
Here, I'm so excited.
Is it running?
What is running?
Oh, it's floor time!
Floor time, baby!
Austin, would you like in on...
Do you want to
Where are you? I can't find you.
Hello.
Did I get it?
I am here.
Are you framed? Yay!
There you go. You want to get in on floor time?
I'll get it on floor time.
Yeah!
Yay! We wrapped up dinner. We got the repair booth mostly set up. We need to set up Gluey tomorrow. But
It's
what time is it? Yeah, give us the time.
6:51.
And that's our time, not Eastern
Yes.
time, right?
Yeah,
okay,
'cause
cool.
I had to adjust because my watch is still.
Yeah. All right. Well, I am waiting for Jalitza to finish up the badge pickup, whatever, because I don't have my key card. So these lovely people have let me chill in their room and have floor time. So I'll probably see you tomorrow. Good night. I have finally made it into my room.
a B-roll of you B-roll.
Oh no!
Oh my gosh.
Who B-rolls the B-roll?
Oh my gosh. Look at her. She's getting B-roll. Oh my gosh. Look at this cosplayer parachute. We're doing so good. Oh my gosh.
Oh, I'm getting you back. Oh. Always a pleasure to see you.
Yes, always.
I'm so sorry that I'm not actually moving to Austin.
It's okay. I come up here enough anyway.
That's true. That's true. That's very true. So I hope you have a good con.
Me too. We just got here. Not in cosplay yet, so it's what it is.
Tomorrow, save it for tomorrow.
Yes,
That's
save
when all the
up.
good stuff. I'll have to find you for
Yes,
sure.
yes.
Or like if you're here in the morning,
Just come up this way.
come up this way because I'll be here for a little bit. Very brief. But I'll
Okay.
find you. Saber's pretty easy to
You
find.
can find that Excalibur.
Yeah. So. Hey. Look at all those buttons. Thanks so much, y'all. Have a good night. Bye-bye.
All right, I am back in the room. It's been a while since an update. Good first day. Good day one. Busy. Really busy. Honestly, it felt like Saturday at the repair booth, not Friday, so I feel a little bad for whoever has to work tomorrow. It's not gonna be me because I'll be doing the contest. Working the contest. So, just had dinner with Off-Brand and Nerdy. Unfortunately, the rest of our group split off and they weren't able to make it, but it's okay. We'll make another attempt tomorrow. Unless I'm offered free food for the contest, in which case I will take free food. My feet hurt, I'm tired, I'm sleepy. Anyway. Hello. It is, what is it? It's Saturday. Jaleesa, what time is it?
8:07.
It is 8:07 on Saturday. I just ate breakfast, and I'm closing my eyes for a bit to do my heated eye mask for my stupid eyeballs. Don't get dry eye. Eat leafy greens. Take care of your eyes. And we're getting ready. I don't need to be down there till 10, so yay. I'm hoping I can actually, like, maybe sleep for a little bit more. Who knows? Anyway, we'll see you later. Boy.
The beautiful Best in Show. Keisha and Last Brandon
Just finished working the contest and really want some pizza. It's we're walking back. Oh, hey! Oh, hello! Best in show! Best in show! You're welcome. Amazing! Best in show, how are you celebrating?
I'm gonna eat a buffet.
Yeah, let's go! We're ordering pizza to our
coffee.
Yes! We're ordering pizza to our room, so. Well, congrats yet again. You did amazing. You did so good. All right, we're calling it a night. Bye. The final day. Just one more. One more and we're done. Let's go. Oh, it's kind of cold. Yeah. All right, we'll see you at repair booth. It is a full week after the con. I'm finally editing my vlog and I realized I did not have a wrap-up post. First, started the day off real strong. Got to have like a very impromptu, candid photo shoot at the repair booth because there was a Jinx cosplayer who needed help with their wig and I was cosplaying young Silco, so it worked out great. I was like, daughter, would you like some help? And I got to like legitimately help them with their wig. Another thing that happened, we did the glue trap, which was our photo op. Not nearly as big of a hit as Truck-kun. I think Truck-kun's just like iconic, you know, like you hear Truck-kun, you know what it is. Glue trap, you know, a little bit more esoteric. Still a lot of fun though. We still got people that took pictures with it. I thought it was fun. And finally, probably the biggest thing. No, not probably. Arguably, like definitely the biggest thing to happen on Sunday that I got zero footage of was Jay-Z Vibrant and Comfy Cutie got engaged! So they had a shoot on Sunday. I did not get to attend because I was working the booth, but they did a shoot on Sunday. It was like all Naruto, Comfy's triplet siblings were there. And yeah. That's a normal way to say that, right? Sure, triplet sisters, sure. They were there, and then JC did it, you did it! So proud of you. So, like I said, I was not there, but I knew it was gonna happen, because on Friday, JC pulled me aside, and was like, hey, you wanna see something cool? And I was like, yeah, duh. And he showed me a picture of the ring on his phone, and I did a happy dance. It would probably look just like this. What's funny is Jester King Riot took a picture of us before it was gonna happen so that we could take a picture with the ring, put it, there it is. It was a lot of fun and many, many happy tears were shed. Congrats to the happy engaged couple. I love you both so much. So anyway, I guess that's the wrap up. I don't know. We'll see you at IkiCon. And then a big question mark, because it's like IkiCon January, definitely Anime Frontier December, but I have no idea what's happening here. Zero plans. So we'll see. We might take it a little slow next year for cons, because we might have gone a little too hard on them this year. We got paid, but we might have gone too hard on cons. So we'll see what 2025 has in store for us. But for now, happy holidays, happy new year, and we'll see you in 2025. Bye!